Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to control your Windows 11 computer using your voice. Go to search and type in voice, VOICE, space access, ACCESS, and then click open. Voice Access, modern voice command feature to help you interact with your PC and dictate text. Turn on voice access, so flip the switch to the right. Voice access is being initialized. Please wait. Say voice access wake up or press the mic button to activate voice access. Voice access wake up. Now you can close the settings. Now if I say close settings, it closes it. Now if I say open Chrome, that opens Chrome. Close Chrome. Open Microsoft Store. Close Microsoft Store. Open Recycle Bin. I guess that one doesn't work. Open Control Panel. Close Control Panel. Open VLC Media Player. Close VLC Media Player. Now, the unfortunate part about this is it doesn't actually let you shut down or restart your computer. Shut down computer. It says did not catch that. Restart. See, shut down and restart doesn't work. Open Notepad. Type my name is ... So that's pretty neat. As you can see, you can actually type a note using your voice. Close Notepad. Alright, so I've turned voice access off again because I don't want it to pick up on what I'm saying right now. The next cool feature about it is if you go to search and then turn on voice access, it'll search for whatever you say. Chrome. Phone paw. FONEPAW. Firefox. Turn off microphone. Turn on microphone. Well, I guess you can't turn it back on like that, but you can click on the button. Open Google Chrome. Go to youtube.com. Enter. Open new tab in Google Chrome. Guess I can't do that. Close Google Chrome. Turn volume up. Guess that doesn't work. Adjust brightness. That doesn't work either. So as you can see, there are quite a few things that don't work with it, but a lot of things do work as well. Open Start. Close Start. Open File Explorer. Close File Explorer. Says it isn't opened. That's odd. Let's try that again. Open File Explorer. Close File Explorer. Nope, still says it isn't open. So you can't close that one. Lock computer. So you can't shut down your computer, you can't restart your computer, and you can't lock your computer. Open command prompt. Close command prompt. That's odd. It says closed command prompt, but it's still open. Close command prompt. There we go. Open ease of access. So that one doesn't work. Open PowerShell. So with this one, it doesn't open it. It just opens the start menu with the option to open it. Open volume settings. Open smart switch. Close smart switch. Nope. Open Microsoft Edge. Close Microsoft Edge. So that one won't close either, but it will open. Open Calendar. So that one opens, but then immediately closes. Oh, we got it now. Okay. Okay. Open Nox Player. Open Nox. Open NOx. There we go. Close NOx. So that one doesn't work very well. It still says closing. It's taking a long time. Alright, so I'm just going to close that with the X because it's taken forever. Open Microsoft Teams. Close Microsoft Teams. It says it closed it, but it didn't. So let's use the X. Open Solitaire. There we go. Close Solitaire. It won't close this, so I'm going to make the screen smaller. It says windowed view. Let's try one more time. Close Solitaire. No, it won't close it, so I'm going to click on the X. Now to close voice access, you can click on the settings icon in the top right-hand corner and then go to turn off voice access, or you can go to search and type in voice access, click open, and then flip the switch to the left. So that is how you control your Windows 11 computer using your voice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.